Hi, I don't know why recently I haven't had a sweet and better sleep at all. There is this feeling in me that needs to get inspired. I am a village photographer and videographer and content creator, and getting gigs isn't that easy, but I can't complain because this town has taught me how to survive even in the pandemic and during tough situations and tough times, especially when I closed down my studio. And that wasn't the end of me. I am a victim of my past life, and I don't want to be held back with that. I want to change my life through what I have in my hands. In the Bible, God asked Moses, "What do you have?" And he said, "I have this stick in my hands only." Then God told him, "Use it." What do I have in my hand? It's the skills and value I have in photography and content creation. I am the master of my life, and whatever I put in, it is in me who is going to carry the cross. Sometimes I ask God, does he really hear my cry and prayers to be successful and wealthy person in this society? Is he really out there? Does he know that I need him when I am down because I don't want to get drowned in my past and pains of life? Also, depression of being scared of life. One thing I know is that I will make it, and I believe that things won't be the same again. One day life will change and we will be living the dreams of our desire. Having a place to call home is one of my dreams, because that is the only thing that I haven't had since tons of children's home fall down. I have been homeless person with no place or family to turn to when I need one, because everything is distanced and separated along the road, and it has caused my feelings and thoughts of living. I just pray to God to get me out of this country if my dreams were never meant to take place here. But if I was created to change this nation, then I am ready for the opportunity. Every journey starts somewhere, and that somewhere for me is here. I need to do everything in my powers and leave the rest to God to take care of it. I have done my part, and it is time for God to do his part, because I don't want to lose faith and hope in this world, because there is a supreme being who controls this world in the comfort of his heavenly kingdom. Keep creating. One day, yes, one day it will pay. Carlos.
Yeah.